Good morning, students. Today we will learn how to draw stomatal apparatus. So let us just start with it. Firstly, we will make the guard cells which are surrounding the stomata. So guard cells, as you know, are bean shaped. So two guard cells which are bean shaped, they are forming the stomata. The central opening of the guard cells, it is forming the stomata. Now these are the guard cells. Guard cells in dicotyledons, dicot plants, are bean shaped. So two bean shaped guard cells are there, and the central cavity, a central opening between them, the space left between the two guard cells, it is forming the stoma. Stoma, or what we call it as stomata. So this we will label as stomatal pore. Now guard cells inner wall is thick, so we will make this one as, it is inner thick wall. Inner wall is much thick, so we will make this one as thicker layer. Similarly, of the other guard cell, the inner wall is much thick. So inner wall is thicker, right? And outer wall is thin. So this is inner wall, this is outer wall. So you can just label, this is the inner thick wall, and this is outer thin wall. Now guard cells are surrounded by epidermal cells. So we will make different epidermal cells which are surrounding the guard cells. So all over the guard cells you can show these kind of plant cells which are forming the epidermal cells. Similarly, on this side we have is, these are the epidermal cells. Guard cells are present in the epidermis, right? So guard cells are present in the epidermis, so all these epidermal cells are surrounding the guard cells, right? So these are all epidermal cells. Now let us make the organelles within the guard cells. We have is the nucleus. Okay, so this is, we are having the nucleus. You can label this one as, this is the nucleus, right? Then we will make the cytoplasm. So this is all cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, right? Then we will make little more organelles. These are chloroplasts which may be present in the guard cells, so you can label them as chloroplasts. Similarly, in the epidermal cell we have is this cytoplasm. You can show You can show the nucleus, you can show the chloroplast, right? All these are normal plant cells. They have the normal general organelles, whatever are present in the plant cell. So this is what is showing you the structure of stomatal apparatus. Stomatal apparatus, it is having two guard cells which are bean-shaped. Bean-shaped guard cells are present in dicot plants, right? Then the cavity which is formed by these two bean-shaped guard cells is called a stomatal pore. So these are guard cells, stomatal pore. You have to label the nucleus of the guard cell, chloroplast, cytoplasm, inner thick wall, outer thin wall, and these are all being surrounded by the epidermal cells. That is it, children. Thank you.